Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the gold text effect in Canva. It's very easy. First I'll come here to elements, and what we're going to do, we're going to look for a gold background. So just type in gold, and here you go, click on photos. Get a nice background that you would like to use. This will be our texture. Okay, so let's say you like this texture right here, or this one. I'll just go ahead and select this one. I'll bring this image in. Okay, and then all you need to do is come here and search for some apps. Okay, come here, type in font frame. Okay, font frame right here under search Canva apps. There we go. And what I need you to do is select this one right here. Select font frame, click on open. And what we're going to do, we're going to be typing in our text. Okay, so let's say we'll type in gold. Let's do all capital. How about that? Look at this. This is what it will look like. You can, of course, change the font. Okay, whatever style you want, whatever size you want, anything. You can change it. And then all you need to do is click on use selected image. But before that, if you want to change the shadow, the outline, anything like that, you can do that. So if I click on use selected image, there we go. This is what it would look like. You can add this to the design. Okay, it would be added to the design. So if I come here, look at this. It's been added to the design. And if you want to remove the outline, maybe you want to change the color or just remove it entirely, right? You can remove that and you'll see what it would look like. And then add that design as well. And you can compare. So let me remove this one. You can compare what the two different ones look like. Of course, you can mess around and create different ones. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar.